happening?
I should probably say shout out to my friends in prison, shouldn't I?
Okay.
Shout out to Martin and Tabitha, currently in the pen for tax evasion. Free my jiggers.
Mad.
Riding round in a Rover. If I see ops and it's over, I'll send man straight to Jehovah when I take shots like M. Sharapova. Doing up tennis. Call man Dennis, I'm a menace. Doing up olives in Venice. Big man ting, I'm bigger than Venice. Stop it. Otherwise, unknown P might bash man's head straight down like a boppet. So make like a Frodo and hop it. Your girl is 4'4" and got bare hair on her toes like a hobbit. If I see her in the club, then I'm doing up AJ the way that I weave and bob it. And I'm not from Homerton, not from Hackney, so I never go east, cause Bear Man tries spot P like acne. I'm from Surrey, where me and the man dem always go hunting, and the gal dem are thick, like Theresa May on a real big bum ting. 19 Hannah on the new Rusty, had a gopyar in Kenya, came back with the feet so dusty, still waking up to geese in country, and I never have porridge at Nan's, because it's oh so lumpy. And if ops wanna throw some hands, then I just draw for the pumpy. Look at me, I'm unknown T, I've got braids and a deep voice. And when I bend my back and then dig it, I really hurt my knee joints. Got a song called Throwback, but my girl got no back. And if you wanna talk unknowns, then you better talk P, just know that. Do a little explosion.
I don't know what you want from me. She don't wanna move on. She's still mad cause I passed my kids and I really wanna move on. I just wanna do some music. I just wanna bounce my new bitch. You say, oh, man, cool, and it's not
Part of me, I'm at the shit on this beat. Part of me, I chew my cranes on the fleet. Part of me, I cook that Bon Appetit. Part of me, I bought Chanel for 10G. This for the bills if I serve on my weed. Pull out that lamb, I got somewhere to be. I'm on it, she like, here from the bacon, go deep and go. I'm on it, she on it, we on it, they on it. Crocodile spilling all over the bird. Bought a bird, could've went bought a bird. Sipping on syrup, got my cup turning verb. Part of me, I got my side to go feed. Swapped out the AP and bought the for me. With this on her ankle, she wants to be me. Place overseas and she part of me. I'm at the shit on this beat. Part of me, I chew the cranes on the fleet. Part of me, I cook that Bon Appetit. Part of me, I bought Chanel for 10G. This for the bills if I serve on my weed. You pull out that lamb, I got somewhere to be. I'm on it, she like, here from the bacon, go deep and go. I'm on it, she on it, we on it, they on it. Crocodile spilling all over the bird. Bought a bird, could've went bought a bird. Sipping on syrup, got my cup turning verb. Part of me, I got my side to go flee. Swapped out the AP and bought the for me. With this on her ankle, she wants to be me. Place overseas.